So for this project, here's a pic of the things you'll need. So you want to take your fabric and fold it in half, right sides facing each other. Now this fabric is, it's actually really stretchy. As you can see, I'm showing you here. Okay, so you want to fold your pant in half and then cut around the outline. I was also trying to show you, I do have a wider pant leg. Okay, so you're going to cut out 2 pieces, and then you're actually going to flip it on the opposite side of the pant and also cut 2 pieces. So you're going to do 2 pieces for the front and 2 pieces for the back. Okay, so once complete, you do want to pin along the crotch area and then take that to your sewing machine and either zigzag stitch or bring it to your serger. Okay, so you should have 2 completed pieces, one for the front and one for the back. What I did to actually keep it aligned is I pinned the top of the crotch, aligning the back and aligning the front. Okay, and now to get the pant not to shift, you want to go ahead and pin on the outer leg and the inner leg. Take that to your sewing machine and sew it together. Now for your waistband. So what you want to do is measure around your waist. Now whatever length you get, you are going to cut out a rectangular shape. So my length was 29 and I did a height of 3 inches. With that, you are going to fold it in half, wrong sides facing together. So the right side should be facing upwards. Then you're going to sew the ends of that. With the 2 ends, you are going to attach that, making it into a waistband. Now to attach it, make sure it's flipped wrong side up. I did attach the 2 sides and I pinned all around. Make sure when pinning though that you have all 3 fabrics attached together. Okay, so you're pretty much done. You just want to go ahead and hem the bottom. What I did was flip it over once and did a straight stitch all around. So there you have it. Yes, wide leg plaid pants, which both are in for fall, can make you a pair. Now if you did like this video, please don't forget to hit the like and hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.